Este video de Lip Monthly también va a estar en español. Lo voy a dejar aquí en la cajita de información para que vayan y lo vean. Y también va a estar en la caja de descripción. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing an unbagging or unboxing, whatever you want to call it. And this time it is going to be for Lip Monthly. I just got my package today. It took like 30 years to get here, but it's finally here. So I'm super excited to see what's in this month's bag. So here is the bag. It has girls with lipsticks on their hands. And it says Lip Monthly at the bottom. Super cute.
So let's open it up.
Okay, so the first thing I see here is this card. And it says Girl Power Lip Monthly May 2019. Super cute. And then the back, it has the products and the prices. Now on to the products. So the first thing I see here, it is from IBY Beauty Feather Matte Liquid Lipstick
Rouge à Lèvres Liquid.
That's French. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's super pretty. I'm super excited to see what shade I got. Oh, it says I got the shade Flirt. So let's check it out. Oh, so it's like a nude rose. It's super pretty. Let's open it up. So this is what the wand looks like. I'm gonna swatch it.
So, smells really good.
It smells like Fruit Loops or something. But this is what it looks like. It's a really nice nude pink. I'm going to be trying it on my lips. I only have chapstick on my lips right now, so let's give it a try. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really nude. I feel like you can't even see my lips on the viewfinder. But I really like it. I like this color. It makes me look more tan though. It doesn't feel sticky and it's still drying, so.
This is cruelty free and it is vegan. So that's nice.
But anyways, this IBY Feather Matte Liquid Lipstick retails for $12. So that's that. Okay, on to the next product. So the second thing I have here, it is from Laritzi Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's see what this is. So I got the shade Legend. Ooh, super pretty. This is what it looks like. I'm going to give it a swatch. This is what the applicator looks like. Let's swatch it now. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. It's like a, how would you describe this? Like a metallic red. I don't know if you guys could tell, but super pretty. I'm really happy that I got this. I'm going to be swatching it on my lips. Okay, let me swatch it now on my lips. Whoa, it dried so fast. So this is what it looks like. It's like a metallic-y red. I feel like it matches my eye look today. Like a rusty red or orange. I don't know. It looks super pretty. What do you guys think? But I really like it. It dried so fast. That's crazy. It doesn't come off. I mean, a little bit, but this is so cool. I really like this. I think this is gonna be one of my favorites. So this Laritzi Velvet Liquid Lipstick retails for $20. I'm super happy that I got this. And I got the shade Legend, if I didn't say that earlier. Okay, now on to the next product. So the next thing that I got, it is a lip balm. It is from the brand City Color Hydrating Lip Balm. This is what it looks like. It's super pretty. It's purple or lavender, whatever.
Let's try it out.
So this is what it looks like. It looks like a lipstick. Ooh, I'm kind of scared to make it go up. You have to scroll this thing up, but I'm scared if I scroll it up, it won't come down anymore.
Here we go. I'm gonna try it once. Oh, it does go down. Okay.
That's nice. Okay, now let me swatch it. Okay, so it is a sheer lip balm. This is what it looks like. You can't really see it. It smells like grape, and it's also cruelty-free, so that's nice. Let me swatch it on my lips.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of hard to take off, you guys. Okay, my lips need hydration, so perfect timing, Mr. Lip Balm. Oh my gosh, I feel so creamy.
Okay, so this lip balm feels very good on my lips. It's not sticky. It smells delicious. I love it. I'm so happy that I got a lip balm because if you guys don't know, I actually finish 1 to 2 lip balms a month. So I love this. Okay, so this City Color Hydrating Balm retails for $4. Okay, the last product that I have here is from Lord & Berry, and it is a lip liner in the shade 3036 Rosso. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is super pretty. Let's try it out. Yep. Beautiful red lip liner. It's super pretty. This is what it looks like. So I'm super happy that I got this. I'm going to try this on my lips. Here we go. So this is what the lip liner looks like. It's super bright red and I love it. It doesn't feel sticky and it doesn't feel heavy on my lips. So I'm super happy that I got this lip liner as well. So this Lord & Berry Ultimate Lip Liner retails for $19. I feel like that's expensive for a lip liner. So that is all that I received in my Lip Monthly bag. So I'm super happy with this month's bag. I paid $12 for this Lip Monthly and I feel like it is so worth it for these 4 products. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys also got Lip Monthly and if you guys got the same products as me. And yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.